Yo guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this kind of chromatic displacement effect for your next music video or edit. Starting off, I'm going to our bottom left corner, go to new, and add our adjustable layer right here. Then for our first effect, I'm going to add motion tile. I'm going to click mirror edges. After that, I'm going to add Displacement Pro. Go under right here, plug in everything. I'm pretty sure this is a free plugin. I'm not fully sure, but I'll make sure to link it in the description so you guys can check it out. Starting off, I'm going to the beginning of our clip right here. Go to translate Y. Then I'm going to put our translate Y at -14. Click on our time watch, open up our timeline. Then I'll go right here to about 2 frames to the end of our clips, about right there, and put it at 0. Highlight our keyframes, easy. Go right here to rotate. Go to our number right here on the right side and put it at 81. Go over here to our keyframes right here and put it all the way down to 0. Open up our timeline, highlight all of our keyframes, easy. Go to edge behavior and put it repeat. And it's gonna make sure we don't have these black squares right here, or just like these black spots right here. And it repeats our edges right here. Close out Displacement Pro. I'm going to add S_distort chroma. Put our blur lens all the way to 825. Go to the beginning of our timeline right here. Go to our amount. Make sure it's at 1 at the beginning of our clip. Go to these same keyframes right here. And we're going to put it at 0 for our amount. Highlight both keyframes right here. Easy it. Close out our menu. Then we're going to add glow. Go over to stylize, drag and glow. And we're just going to increase our radius to around 40. Close out our menu, close out our timeline, save our project. And yeah, that's how I create this chroma displacement effect for your next music video or edit. Hope you guys learned something new today or just enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment. And apart from that, keep working hard, keep on staying creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.